I messed up. Okay, so on Friday, when we were supposed to do the 15-minute decluttering session, I accidentally gave you a standard decluttering session. However, we're just supposed to be dipping our toes into declutterings. So Friday, we were actually supposed to go around the room with a trash bag, and if there's any trash, throw it in there. So if you went ahead and did the original decluttering method that I mentioned, then congratulations, you're ahead of the game. But I have no problem admitting when I messed up. So I did mess up. And today we are going to continue our habits. So if you do have any trash, go ahead and do so. And then if you don't, then go ahead to continue the 15-minute declutter every single day. And I also failed to mention that we are to restart our 15-minute timer again, but this time we are to go rest. Whether that means just simply sitting on the couch or reading something, whatever it means to you. 15 minutes of rest every single day. I like to take my rest time sometime in the afternoon if possible, but just schedule that wherever you can. Okay, so our new habits are: in the morning, get dressed to shoes, 2-minute hot spot, 5-minute room rescue, and check those words that we're saying to ourselves. Make sure that they're kind. Afternoon, you can go ahead and do the 15-minute declutter, or feel free to do it in the morning, evening, wherever it works for you. And then a 15-minute rest. And then you can also do a hot spot here as well if it applies. In the evening, we are picking out our clothes, shining our sinks, a 2-minute hot spot, and a 5-minute room rescue every single day. So far, these are our habits that we are doing every single day. Again, feel free to customize it, whether it works for you morning, afternoon, or evening. There are certain ones that have to be in the morning, like getting dressed to shoes, and some in the evening, like shining our sinks and getting our clothes. But the rest you can pretty much tailor to your lifestyle. And today, for day 11 of the FlyLady 31 Baby Step Challenge, we're going to get inspired. We're going to look up things that inspire us, phrases, images, whatever, and put that in our control journal. Remember last week when we printed out our routines and put in our control journal? Today we're going to add more things that inspire us. It can literally be anything from family photos to quotes to scriptures, you name it. Because this is your book, make it so that it's super duper inspirational. And don't forget to comment done once you've done that for your chance to win. And I'll see you tomorrow for day 12 of the FlyLady 31 Baby Step Challenge. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, to God be the glory. Bye.